So next, let's get into Illustrator and start actually creating the work. So I'm going to create a new artboard, and I like to title my artboards here. So I'll just name it Skillshare, Speak It into Existence, so that if I'm searching, I can easily find what I'm looking for because it's the name of the piece. And then for the width, since we're using this for social media, I'm just going to make it 1080 by 1080. If you want to make it poster size, you can, which would be like an 8 by 10 ratio. And then RGB because it is for web. All right, so I have my blank artboard. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Pinterest board and I'm going to grab a couple of those references. I like to have a lot of references just kind of like hanging around so I can pull for color inspiration, layout inspiration, and just sort of helps me start somewhere. So I'm just going to put those off to the side. I like that one for color. I also really like this one. These colors are so fun. Okay, let's see what else. Because you can be inspired by yourself, I'm gonna go ahead and copy my own design as well. And I love gradients, and I think I'm gonna use a gradient today. So I'm gonna copy a few of these gradient pieces. And then let's see, maybe one more for like the typography or for the composition. Let's see. So it is Speak It into Existence. So there aren't a ton of words. So I kind of like in some of these where they're emphasizing, you know, the words that they want to stand out. So yourself and better are white, whereas the other ones are a little closer to the background color. So let's go ahead. Yeah, let's do that one. And oftentimes I'll have a couple different artboards so that I can play around and not limit myself to, you know, one style. Okay. And so now I have my references and I'm able to begin to design.